Hello and welcome to another video from Travels with Charlie and Friends, and I'm here in London, the nation's capital, and I was here to watch my team Barrow AFC play at Barnet. But enough about that. I decided I was going to stay the night, and I thought I'd try out CitizenM Hotel near Victoria Station. The reason being I was told it was something different, so I wanted to go along and have a look for myself. It's very bright and it's very modern, and the bar and restaurant is available 24 hours a day and has lots of these little comfy rooms where you can go and sit and relax. And in a moment we'll have a look into the room I was staying at. Now, there isn't different room categories here. All the rooms are exactly the same. Now, this is part of the Marriott chain of hotels, and it's a brand new concept of hotel. There's no room service or anything like that, but there is these lovely spaces, and also the rooms are operated by an iPad. There are 226 rooms here and 10 floors in this particular hotel. This one is close to Buckingham Palace and Westminster Abbey, the Big Wheel. In fact, all the London tourist attractions. Wow, that is some carpet. Very bright, and as you could see in the lift, a very nice lift as well. And this is the room I was staying in. Now, I must admit, when I first went into the room, I wasn't that impressed. I thought, oh, I'm not sure whether I like this or not. But it grew on me. Now, these rooms apparently were designed in Poland as modules and then transported to this hotel in London, which is, by the way, a 4-star hotel. And they describe this as affordable luxury. My room was just over £200, and that included the breakfast as well. And this is the bathroom with the rain shower. All the rooms are exactly the same. So some toiletries there. No tea and coffee making facilities, and this is what controls the whole of the room. So we'll have a look at this now. Some mood lighting. I do like multicoloured lights, and you can change the colour. Very nice. I could play with that all evening. Nice pictures on the wall and the TV. Everything is controlled from the iPad, and that's the brightness of the lights in the room. And then we've got the curtains and blackout blinds. Very good. Controlling that. There we are. We'll show you that going up and down. There are several of these CitizenM hotels in London, and there are CitizenM hotels throughout the world. And there are these hotels all over the world. And this is the pod concept. And CitizenM, M standing for mobile citizens. People that like luxury, affordability, and by making the rooms smaller and also the workspaces bigger, it makes it more sustainable. And you can control the heating from here, and the telly, and the mood. Are you ready for this? We're going to now have the dream mood. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, wow. as you can see, there are lots of different moods that you can set the room for. Very nice indeed, and this iPad does control everything in the room. The heating, the lighting, and the TV as well. And when you've finished at night, you can just press good night and it turns everything off, and the room is totally black. And there's the iPad that controls the whole room. And the TV channels there. You can even scan your own stuff. And there's a seat there to sit on if you want to. Some nice modern artwork. And some books there on the bookshelf. What have we got? Why We Hate Cheap Things. I love cheap things. A book about confidence and marrying the wrong people. And there is the underbed storage, and there is a safe if you've got any valuables. Plug sockets, including European plug sockets as well, and international plug sockets. A telephone and some light switches there if in case the iPad goes down. And you even check out on the iPad in the morning on these control panels. You look well slept, and I did sleep well. So thanks for watching. Until next time, bye for now.